Oh man, never really wanted to make this style of video, but yeah, as you can see by the title, I mean, I'll make a disclaimer right now, like, it's really not that bad. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you would already see the damage. It's really not that bad, but it was just shitty. So, long story short, I don't want to mention who actually, got it rear-ended, but let's just say I had someone backing it in to my grandparents' driveway last night, and then they basically, because it was super dark, the windows are tinted and whatever, they didn't see, and then they backed into my grandparents' garage door. Luckily, their garage door is super flimsy. It's not that solid, so it literally just rammed right through. Luckily, there was no damage to the actual door. It was literally just the wheels popped off, and then we had to like dent it back. But it wasn't that bad, but it's just kind of shitty. I'm getting like a photo shoot like this upcoming weekend, and yeah, it kind of sucks, not gonna lie, but it is what it is, guys. Shit, I'll just show you guys. So here's the damage. I'm hoping this can be buffed out. I'm banking that most of this will come off. This is where all the damage came, like right here. Like, this is not coming off, obviously. This maybe, I'm not sure. The rest, I'm not really sure. It's just over here. But if I can get all this off, like, hopefully, I'd be happy with that. This, I don't think will come off. Luckily, no other damage. I mean, the diffuser's fine, because you see how this pokes out right here? Like, this is really what took all the damage. Like, the trunk didn't get hit, the exhaust tips, the diffuser. I'm happy about that. So again, it could have been a lot worse. Probably sounds like I'm just bitching, but it's still shitty, It is what it is. I'm happy no major damage happened. Like, it's literally very small. I'm not going to repaint the whole bumper. I'm literally just going to buff it off whatever I can. I've already repainted this. Like, I don't want to repaint this again. It's just not worth it to me because it's a daily. It's not a show car. I mainly daily this car and I track it too. So like, it is what it is. But Speed 3 is unlucky, man. It's unlucky. And like, there's this weird noise in the front from this side. I'm not sure what happened. I was just doing some pulls and shit. It's making a weird noise in the front, but I have to go right now. I'm going right now on my break through classes to try to get buffed out. So I'll see you guys when I get there. But shit, I'm close. There we go. Fuck, I thought I was recording the whole time. I didn't get a freaking cold start, god damn it. Hey man, she still looks good. Just, a little love mark right there. It's not the first time she's received some damage, I just have bad luck, but it is what it is, guys. But let's go ahead there right now. Fucking, oh, so I'm gonna put you guys on this drink. I got this from Starbucks. Yeah, I know, Starbucks, I know. But it's actually really freaking good, man. Let me put you guys on right now. This shit is really good. And I got like a cookie yesterday. Bro, it was like $10 for like a cookie and a drink, man. That's just Starbucks for you. And I waited like half an hour on the line, but still tastes good. Okay, the strawberry's trying to leave the fucking thing. Alright boys, so we just got to my buddy's house. Shout out to Elite Detailing. He's gonna try to fix her up. I'll take a little clip of that, but this I'm hoping is coming off, but it's not, like, the damage is not that bad, so I'm not really gonna like go out of my way to repaint the whole thing, because God knows what other damage I'll do to it this season, but we'll see. Alright, cool. Yeah, go ahead. Bro, thank God. All of it is already gone. Now we just gotta do this side, and then this is obviously not coming off, but I don't know about this part right here. This is like, I don't think it'll come off, but we can try, but fuck it. Yeah.
We'll see how wet to blend it, just because like the other corner.
Yeah, cause I don't know.
That's what makes it really hard.
I think it'll make it look like shit if I spray it.
Yeah, unless you really blend it properly.
Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling Several days later.
But yeah, today's a new day. It's fixed overall. I'll show you like the little paint chip that I filled in. It's really not that bad. I'm literally just treating like a rock chip, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. But what I'm actually gonna do today is a little small thing. I'm gonna repaint my crash bar. So I'm not gonna do a fancy crazy job. I'm literally just gonna put the car in here, jack it up, take off the front bumper, repaint it. I'm gonna repaint it because it's completely rusted. It looks like shit. If you look up close, you just see completely brown everywhere because of the crash bar, right? It's all rusted. So I'm just gonna do a quick job, repaint it. The weather has been absolutely brutal the past like 2 days. It's literally snowed like crazy. It snowed. It's like the end of April. Like I don't understand. I don't understand Canada, man. I don't understand. Anywho, here's the speed right now. I just got to move my mom's car, but I'll show you guys what I picked up. If my trunk is still open. Yep, car's dirt. Well, it doesn't look that. Oh wait, let me show you. Fuck, my shadow's in the way. Yeah, I mean, I could have done a better job, but fuck it, whatever, who cares. Anyways, so I went to Canadian Tire and I picked up some Rust-Oleum paint just to, you know, make it look a lot better, gloss black. And I picked up a new wire brush because my old one was just completely destroyed, to just like, well, I'm not gonna like properly sand it down. I just need to like make it somewhat better. So I picked up a new wire brush. So let's move the cars and let's repaint this crash bar now, shall we? And that is success. The front bumper is off. As you can see, guys, yeah, like this is, I mean, goddamn, yeah, it needs a little repaint. There you have it, guys. Pretty beat up if you ask me. So we're gonna try to do the best we can to not sand it down, but use a wire brush and get most of it off, clean it up, and then she's ready for paint. Fuck it. Okay, and we're looking a lot better. So this thread right here got fucked up, so as a joke I put a zip tie. It is what it is, but yeah, guys, looking a lot better. Again, like the texture is not like the greatest, obviously, but literally I just painted it so it could blend in a lot better. But yo, happy with it. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't know why I have the lights on, because I was bored. Jeez. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Luckily, the damage at the back was taken care of. Wasn't that bad. Repainted the crash bar. She's looking pretty good. We got a photo shoot this weekend. I think we're gonna do it Sunday. I'm trying to make the car look as nice as possible for the shoot, so that'll probably be my next video. But I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent. Peace.